and I live in the Dallas Metroplex full-time. I have an 8 to 5 job that I go to Monday through Friday, but I live in my tiny house 24/7. When my daughter moved out, I decided I was going to try to live in a van. I can remember one of the things that Brittany said was, "You're going to be homeless?" And I was like, "No, I'm going to be mobile." So this is a 2018 Ford Transit. It's a 130 wheelbase, and it is a mid-roof. I used to get so annoyed at having to pay $1,500 a month in rent. Never be there during the day while I was working, and then you're stuck there on the weekends because you don't have any money to go do anything else. It's given me the freedom to be able to be outside and do what I like to do. The color is very me. I'm very much a tie-dye person, so I kind of like it. This is a battery-operated lights and gives, especially with reflectix, enough light at night. My nephew made all of these pot holders for me. The Wanderlust Way sign is because, you know, I feel like what my life is just wandering everywhere. The knick-knack shelves are just things that people have given me that mean something. It's nice to be able to get up and say, "Oh, look, Brittany gave me this for my birthday." And it says life is a journey, not a destination, which is so true. Down here, I have this little drawer that pulls out. Collapsible sinks, and I just set them up. I usually have one that's got the soap water and one that's got just regular water, and then one that has a little bit of vinegar and water in it. I like washing my dishes outside better in my movable kitchen because then I don't have to worry about where the water is. Everybody should have a little emergency jump starter kit. So this is from Costco, and it's just a little quick battery charger. Having the Dometic fridge has made it so much easier to go and buy fresh fruits and vegetables. I just pull these closed at night. They're blackout curtains, and then I just clip them. I love skulls. Not only do they block out the light, but they also block out the heat and the cool. All of my plates and my pantry are underneath the bed. This one's like pots and pans. This is my bathroom stuff. I have a Goal Zero briefcase solar panels. I like having the briefcase because, you know, you want to park in the shade so it doesn't heat up the inside of the van, but I have an extra long leader so I can put my solar panels out in the sun but still have my van in the shade. And then I have a folding table, so I put my sink on it and my stove, and I try to just do everything outside of the van so that I don't have to worry about anything getting dirty or water getting anywhere or the smell of whatever food I'm cooking. Galoshes, because you never know when you need to cross through a creek. All right. These are deer whistles. They're in the automotive section of Walmart. They are super inexpensive, $5. The way they're positioned, when the air goes in this side and out to that side, it creates a high-pitched whistle that animals can hear. $5. Put them on your van. I don't feel any different than living in an apartment, except that I can have my bed wherever I want. So whenever I go visit people, they always say, well, why don't you stay in? And I'm like, no, I'll stay in my house. So I think it's one of the best decisions I have made as a single person. Thanks for taking a tour of my tiny house. Again, my name's Angela, and you can find me on Instagram at CU Dragonfly Girl, GRL. Thank you, I appreciate it.